Hello parents! Today's 1-minute series, we will be diving into bedtime routine tips. Having a consistent yet calming bedtime routine for your child can make a whole new world of difference. Let's get to it. First and foremost, we need to create consistency. To achieve this, we must set a regular bedtime for your child. This will ensure that their sleep patterns remain consistent, thus making it a smoother experience for both the parents and child. Next, make sure to unplug from any devices with display at least 30 minutes before bedtime. The blue light emitted can interfere with the production of melatonin, hence making it hard for your child to fall asleep. Try other kinds of activities that don't involve display. Now, let's add something magical into bedtime to make it interesting for our kids. Be it reading to them their favorite book or just simply sharing a bedtime story. These will create a magical sense of comfort to let them sleep better at night. There you go, bedtime routine tips to make the nights a breeze. Give it a try and maybe it will change your child's experience. Make sure to support us by leaving a like and subscribe. Till next time.